So for example, we started off this school year by studying molecules. And I want you to draw a model of water of your choosing. Water in particular, because it's so critical to life on Earth and to Earth in general. And as we're studying water, we thought, well, we could get outside and we could just use infrared thermometers to measure the temperatures of different surfaces in the sun and in the shade. And let's see if things that might contain more water are heating up less, and that would really demonstrate this water property. And while we were doing this, we ran across some days that had a whole lot of wildfire smoke in the air. And then we can do an actual analysis on, what were the differences between sun and shade, and what were the different water contents of those surfaces, what were the different characteristics of those surfaces that students kind of care about doing something authentic. And if you give them an opportunity to do something authentic and then they realize that's really what professionals in that field do, and if you choose the right type of thing, and again, for me, the thread is environmental sciences because it's accessible, it's affordable, and it's topical. Kids know the environment has issues and stressors. So if you take that as your starting point and you do something authentic there, then I think you have the fact that kids already care, and then they learn that they can do something about it. They're empowered, and that makes them care even more.
I think that's why we're learning science. Not only see the problem, we're also trying to find a way to solve it.
I was very engaged, and it's not necessarily something I was particularly interested in before, or I will be like maybe next year, but like this year I feel like just like the way Judge taught it was like very interesting.
We're learning science to help people to like solve real life problems.
I feel like it's very important to learn kind of about stuff that I wouldn't necessarily be interested in the future, because more like I'm learning the skills of how to research something later or like take data later. And so if I only focus on something that I'm interested in, then I won't be able to get these skills that may apply to something I'm interested in.
We're not like staying in the classroom learning thing. We're like going outside the classroom, going to real life and using our power, like what we can do to influence the environment around us, to like really make change, positive change. Yeah.